Hey y'all, it's TX Stampin. I have been spending the week with my best friend, Jackie, and I'm sure all of y'all know her because of the Creative 8 retreats, but we have had a wonderful week of planning a fun activity that will be held in November. So the activity is a stamp along with us to make some fun cards, unique cards. And how do you get invited? Well, all you have to do is join my team.
Join her team.
Join my team during the month of October. I have already shared with you about the wonderful promotion that Stampin' Up is doing. $155. They get a free paper pumpkin.
Free
they get
shipping.
free shipping. They get to pick anything they want, and they only pay $99.
And they get her.
And they get me. And I have all of my technique tutorials and my fun fold tutorials. I share that with my team too. So it's a great deal to join my team. So if you have any questions, let me know. And we can't wait to stamp along with you in November.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye.